Once upon a time in a small village Dallas, between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a wise old man named Aiden. Aiden was known for his sagacity and the ability to impart profound lessons with simplicity. Villagers often sought his advice, and children gathered around him to hear his stories. One sunny afternoon, as the villagers gathered in the shade of a towering oak tree, Aiden began to share a tale that had been passed down through generations. He smiled warmly and began, "My friends, let me tell you a story about the end of something and the valuable lessons it brings." He spoke of a young farmer named Liam, who had recently inherited a small plot of land from his grandfather. Eager to make a name for himself, Liam toiled tirelessly, planting seeds and nurturing his crops. The village watched with anticipation as his fields flourished, and soon he became the talk of the town. As the seasons changed, so did Liam's fortunes. The once vibrant fields began to wither, and the crops, once abundant, dwindled. Liam, overwhelmed with frustration, sought the counsel of Aiden, the venerable elder. Aiden listened patiently as Liam poured out his heart. With a twinkle in his eye, Aiden spoke, "Young friend, the end of something is not always a reason for despair. It's an opportunity for growth and learning. Pride may blind you, but patience will guide you." He went on to share a parable about a caterpillar that undergoes a transformative journey, eventually emerging as a graceful butterfly. The villagers listened intently as Aiden wove a tale of resilience, patience, and the beauty that arises from the ashes of disappointment. In the days that followed, Liam embraced Aiden's wisdom. He humbly acknowledged the shortcomings in his approach, took the time to understand the needs of his land, and gradually nursed his fields back to health. The village watched in awe as Liam's second harvest surpassed even the first, and the once struggling farmer became a symbol of perseverance and humility. Aiden, sitting under the same oak tree, watched with pride as Liam's success story unfolded. With a gentle smile, he reminded the villagers, "The end of something is better than its beginning. Patience is better than pride." And so, the village continued to thrive, guided by the timeless wisdom of Aiden and the lessons learned from the tale of Liam's journey, a story of growth, resilience, and the understanding that sometimes the end of one chapter is the beginning of a more beautiful story yet to unfold.